Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video I will show you how to arrange your carousel post on Instagram. So this is a Instagram new update. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that, and also let me know if you have this option in your account or not. So open your Instagram post for which you want to reorder, and after that you need to click on the three dot here you can see on the top right, and you need to click on edit. So after this you have to select the image for which you want to reorder it. For example, okay, so I am swiping the last two image. So the last one I will keep it in the second last, and the second last I will keep it in the last one. So I will drag this side. Here you can see I have kept this truth one here. This was my last post. I will click on save. So you can see the last slide is just before this slide, and this is the previous slide. So this is how you can reorder your Instagram post. I hope you will find this video useful.